Dumpster rental service in Greenwood, South Carolina. At ASAP Dumpster Rentals South Carolina, we proudly offer reliable dumpster rental service in Greenwood, South Carolina. Whether it's a home cleanout, construction site, or renovation project, we provide the necessary waste disposal solution. Our dumpsters are sturdy and designed to handle a variety of waste efficiently. We offer flexible scheduling to ensure your dumpster is delivered and picked up on time. Our top priority is keeping your space clean and organized. Proper waste management is essential. We make the process easy for you. We understand that every project has unique needs, and our knowledgeable team is here to guide you through every step of the rental process. From selecting the right dumpster to coordinating pickup, we're here to help. ASAP Dumpster Rentals South Carolina is known for dependable service and competitive pricing. We are proud to be a trusted local partner for waste disposal in Greenwood, South Carolina. We focus on delivering solutions that make your project more straightforward and efficient. Call us today at 803-480-6580 to schedule your rental. Let's make waste disposal simple and stress-free together. ASAP Dumpster Rentals South Carolina, your go-to solution for dependable dumpster rental service in Greenwood, South Carolina.